In a world driven by the pursuit of wealth, the notion that inner peace is paramount often gets overlooked. Yet true fulfillment doesn't stem from monetary accumulation, but rather from a serene and balanced state of mind. When individuals cradle their peace within, they discover a refuge from the chaos around them, allowing them to navigate life with a clarity that money cannot buy. Inner peace cultivates resilience against life's inevitable challenges. Those anchored in a sense of tranquility can confront adversity with grace and equanimity. Instead of reacting out of stress or fear, they access an inner strength that guides thoughtful decision-making. This inner strength becomes a ripple effect, influencing relationships, work, and health positively, creating a robust support system that doesn't hinge on financial stability alone. Moreover, pursuing inner peace fosters genuine happiness that material wealth struggles to achieve. While money can provide temporary satisfaction through possessions or experiences, these joys are often fleeting. In contrast, a heart at peace radiates contentment within every moment. Simple pleasures, a stroll in nature, a heartfelt conversation, or a moment of quiet reflection become profound sources of joy. People finding tranquility learn to appreciate life in its purest forms, diminishing the overwhelming urge to chase after the next big purchase or luxury. They experience life as a canvas waiting to be painted with moments of gratitude and fulfillment, disconnected from monetary expectations. Additionally, inner peace directly enhances mental well-being, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Stress, anxiety, and relentless striving for wealth can lead to emotional and physical ailments. Misplaced priorities can cloud judgment, exposing individuals to unsustainable work habits and strained relationships. Alternatively, those who embrace inner peace prioritize self-care, nurturing their mental and emotional health. They engage in practices such as meditation, mindfulness, or yoga, which not only ground them but also radiate positivity to those around them. This cultivates an environment where both personal vibrance and community flourishing thrive, showing that peace breeds prosperity on multiple levels. Ultimately, the quest for inner peace outweighs any financial pursuit. In recognizing that happiness, resilience, and mental well-being stem from within, individuals can redefine success. True wealth lies not in the dollars amassed, but in the tranquil state of the mind. When inner peace takes precedence, life transforms from a relentless chase to a harmonious existence. Embrace the journey towards inner peace and realize the immense wealth it brings to your soul.